Hey. Equity Bank is making profits ya more than 220 million shillings a day. Sasa jicheke hapa. I want to tell you something very painful. Equity Bank iko na more than 20 million customers from Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Southern Sudan na huko, proudly referred to as valued member. But hakuna hata moja that will share even a single cent from those profits. Wako na ATMs, account numbers, mobile banking apps, loans that they are servicing, lakini they don't own shares. Wewe endelea kusave pesa hapo, lipa interest, lipa transactional fees, but kama huna shares, profits, But kumbuka, being called a valued member is not the same thing as sharing wealth. Andika hapo. Ukitaka kushare hii wealth, a share is going for 75 shillings only. And if you want to know how to do it, call me or grab this ebook at 300 shillings only. Shida ni ile ile, huwezi elewa.